Hello, loves. Thank you for watching Tieko Beauty. So, today I am going to show you Tieko Microlink Seamless Sewing. This style, I reckon, is going to take over next year. I It's so easy to wear, it is easy to wash, easy to tighten up. So, as you can see here, I've laid a roll of beads and I'm going to sew on the tracks. As you can see, this hair is actually from my hairline Tieko Beauty, and it's very easy to wear. And so as you can see here, I am sewing it on, and that's basically it. I literally enjoy doing this hairstyle for my clients. And so I just wanted to come on and show you guys a little bit of my process. I don't want to talk too much, so I'm just going to be quiet so you can watch the rest of the video. At the end, I curled it and, styled it, made it cute for her. As you can see, I can part it in different sections in the middle, on the side, because of how I laid the tracks. So enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe to Tieko Beauty's channel, my channel, for more hair tips that you can use. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.